Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a hydrating body serum. Step 1, you're going to need a bottle and a cap. Step 2, you're going to need organic safflower oil. Step 3, essential oils of your choice. And finally, you're going to need vitamins and hyaluronic acid. The first step in making your body serum, you're going to want to fill your bottle about halfway with organic safflower oil. The reason I use safflower oil is because it prevents dryness and roughness of the skin and also helps remove dirt and oil from the surface of the skin. It also helps with conditions including eczema, psoriasis, and acne. It has hydrating properties that make your skin have a healthy glow, promotes elasticity, and reduces the appearance of dark spots and wrinkles. Once you've filled your bottle about halfway, as you can see here, we're going to add some skin-loving vitamins and minerals to the serum. Now, the vitamins and minerals that I decided to go with are niacinamide and zinc, as well as hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Niacinamide is actually vitamin B3. It reduces the appearance of skin blemishes and congestion. It also is helped by zinc in the formula to balance visible aspects of sebum activity, which is how fast your skin produces oils. If you wash your skin too much and you don't moisturize it enough, your skin can produce excess oils, which can lead to bacteria growing, and that's where you get the body odor from. So adding zinc and niacinamide to the formula helps reduce the body odor aspect of things while also giving you the exact hydration that you need in your serum. Hyaluronic acid can hold 1,000 times its weight in water, and this ultra pure version combines 3 different types at varying molecular sizes with vitamin B5 to offer lasting hydration and visible plumping of the skin. Moisture retention, lipid barrier strength, and surface hydration are all improved, leading to a smoother, softer, healthier complexion of your skin. Now I'm putting about 4 droppers full of this solution each into our bottle. What that's going to do is it's going to bring the liquid in the bottle up to about full and get it ready for the essential oils we're adding. Now I chose 2 different essential oils. There's ylang ylang oil and then there's organic sweet orange oil. Now these will give it a very sweet floral fragrancy scent, and I only put about 5 drops of each into our bottle. Now you don't want to overdo it with the essential oils because they are very potent, and if you add too much then you could have an adverse reaction, dryness, or an allergic reaction if you tend to be allergic to different strengths of essential oils. For me, I do a lot of my own homemade self-care, so I know exactly the amount that my skin likes to handle, and so I'm doing about 5 little drops of each scent into our bottle. Lastly, you want to attach the cap to your bottle and you want to just shake it up. I shake it up for about 30 seconds. You want to make sure that the hyaluronic acid mixture and that all the other vitamins get really mixed up into that oil, and it forms a very lightweight serum that moisturizes your skin while also not being too slick and greasy. And there you go. That is how you make a hydrating body serum. For more tips and tricks or other makeup and body care videos, definitely give me a like or subscribe below. Thank you. Bye.